I want to get into 3D printing, so I decided to buy myself a Prusa. Before buying the Prusa, I wanted to learn a program that can actually allow me to design in 3D. I started from FreeCAD, and after the recommendations of a friend, I switched over to Fusion 360. I stuck with Fusion 360 because it's just a lot more beginner friendly. After my 10th design or so, I decided to actually buy the Prusa. The official Prusa, plus 1 kilogram of black spool, plus DHL Express shipping, came to be around $895.73 USD. I'm Canadian, so we have to pay the Canadian cost, which was $1,195.49 Canadian dollars. While waiting for the Prusa to arrive, I bought some extra tools. I bought a cooler for the spools because the spools do have to be kept at a certain temperature. And I also bought a Dremel because my first design, which I had my friend print, required some sanding for it to work. Aside from that, I also bought the tools necessary to make an enclosure. That included 3 lac tables, one that's assembled, one that is disassembled, and one that I may or may not return depending on how it looks in my room. I also bought plexiglass from Canada Plastics, already cut and completely in the proper sizes. That was around $90 Canadian as well. A few days prior to receiving the Prusa, I got a message from DHL saying that we had to pay import taxes as well as some of their fees. This came to be $190.93, and that means I paid a grand total of $1,358.42 Canadian dollars for the Prusa and 1 kilogram of black spool. And that's basically it. I bought this on August 25th, 2022, and I received this on September 7th, 2022. That is a total of 13 days. And here it is. All right. Let's get started. Better with an X-Acto knife. Congratulations on getting the brand new original Prusa printer. We would like to take this moment to thank you again for buying the printer directly from author Joseph Prusa. You have supported development, and we will do our best to help you start printing ASAP. And oh boy, that's it. Printing handbook. Later, assembly instructions. Oh, that's cute. It's actually really cool. And that is it for this one. Wow. They give you snacks. This is the power cable. Prusa research. I'm guessing this is good for something. Oh God. Oh boy. Okay, I did not know it came with basic filament for us already, because I bought a ton. I do mean a lot. I guess I'll put this in there with it. first, we have this thing here. Plastic parts set orange. And I bought the orange and black version of it. I was told that these parts were made with a Prusa, for the Prusa. So in some ways the Prusa kind of prints itself, at least part of itself. And we have some screws, a lot of screws, some wires, a lot of wires. They even give you the glue stick. A whole bunch of zip ties. A whole bunch of other things as well. Y-axes. Sounds metallic. Motor kit. And frame plus a whole bunch of other stuff as well. Ooh, that's pretty. Guess this is the box then. And front. Snacks. Oh boy, that's a lot of components. There is one thing I said I was going to do before I do this, and that is to actually vacuum here, just because there's so much cat hair everywhere. I might just do that first. Oh. Guess